Hello everyone, welcome to HabibPro YouTube channel. So today we're just going to learn how to create scroll down and scroll top button. This is our scroll top button and this is our scroll down button. Okay, so when we click here, we're going to cross our whole area of header, and when we click our scroll top button, we're going to the top of our website. So let's create them. This is my HTML structure where we're going to use all of those. And this is my scroll down button. This is my data attribute, which is we're going to target for our area height. And this is my scroll top button, and obviously this is my blank box because we need to scroll. Okay, so let's start writing some JQuery. We need to define our header area height first. Then we can create some click function for scrolling effect. Okay, this is not smooth effect because we didn't use any animation here. So we need to use the animate function for our animation. We can simply use animate and use the property of scroll top, and we can define our height as our area height, and this whole animation will complete within 1 second. Okay, so this is it. We can make our scroll top button similarly. So we just need to copy and paste whole thing. Just need to change the name of class, and our scroll top will be 0. So that's it for this tutorial, and hopefully you liked it. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in next tutorial.